Alright, so this is a quick video about anybody looking for ideas for a bicycle basket. So that's what I've done with my bicycle, which is the Trek 300 Navigator. The best bike I've ever owned. The seat is not original, the seat post is not original. I've changed that, so I had to use them on another bicycle. But anyway, that is what I've done with my bike. This is like a construction bucket. Drilled a hole into it. I cut off this bit here just to go around the seat, and I used part of this. Up at the top here is very thick, so I used part of that to make basically a washer down here, because I had this setup before and the wire actually breaks cracks the bucket. And also with this setup you got to use this wire as well, or rope. You got to use the rope to keep the bucket balanced, keep the bucket imbalanced when it's loaded. So on both sides, tied on both sides, and then it stays upright. I'm very happy with it. I used to put a milk crate here, but the bucket setup is superior, because the milk crate or anything similar, the sides of it will be sticking out and will be like out here, and you cannot change that. See, if you're storing your bicycle on a hallway or something, the milk crate gets in the way. Whereas with this bucket, it is strong just as a milk crate, but you can just fold it like this and it's completely out of the way. And also any shopping you put in there, you just tie it up at the top here and it stays nice and secure. So yeah, that was a tip of the day for bicycles. The way to go.